What's going on, everyone? Kai-Fi here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn your picture in Photoshop into an oil painting type of picture. So it actually only takes about like 1 or 2 steps. It's really simple, but I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm going to walk you through that process. So before we get started, I don't really like how, so I just have a picture of some Call of Duty in-game players. And I don't really like how this helicopter is right on this guy's face. Almost looks like an extension of his face. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that real quick. So I'm going to use the eyedropper tool and just get the color of the background sky. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to use the brush tool. And I'm just going to go over the chopper, being careful not to go over his face, but to just turn that into a lighter blue. So let's see. So I think that looks good enough. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the clone stamp tool. So to use this, you need to push Option and click where you want to clone. So I want to click right here. And then it's going to clone that sky onto these brush marks I just made, just to make it look more realistic. So as you can see, that looks a lot better and looks like part of the sky as opposed to just my light blue brush strokes to get rid of that helicopter. So we can even clean that up a little bit more, and there you go. That's pretty much gone. And when you zoom out, it looks brand new. So to turn this into an oil paint, we're going to go ahead and go up to Filter. We're going to go to Stylize, and we're going to go to Oil Paint. And the values I'm going to use are 7.0 for stylization, 8.5 for cleanliness, scale I'm going to leave at 4.0, bristle detail at 5.8, and then lighting angle and shine I'm not going to mess with. I recommend you mess around with these different values and see like what effects they have based on the different pictures. But I think these look pretty good for the picture I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and push OK. And there you go. It's going to turn your picture into an oil paint type of picture. So, I mean, it doesn't have the greatest detail. I mean, as you can see, his face is a little blurry. The bag's a little blurry. This other guy's face is a little blurry too. But that's generally what oil paintings look like. They're not the most detailed, but they have heavy strokes and a lot of texture within them, which I think is pretty cool. So if you want to get this oil paint effect, again, just go to Filter, Stylize, and Oil Paint, and then mess around with these different values. I hope you learned something. It was just a quick little video introducing you to the oil paint filter. I hope you liked it. Please be sure to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you all so much.